In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly migrate your website to HostGator. The process may initially seem daunting, but with my guidance, you'll see how simply you can manage this task on your own. First, we need to prepare your local website files and database export. Essentially, you'll want to ensure that you have a complete backup of your website's files and its database. You can usually do this by accessing your local server or wherever your website currently resides and downloading the necessary files. It's always a good idea to keep your files organized in a dedicated folder on your computer to avoid any confusion later on. Similarly, you'll export your website's database, which you can typically do via a tool like PyMyAdmin. Once you have these components ready and safely stored, you're all set to move to the next step. Log into your HostGator cPanel. If this is your first time accessing the cPanel, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout as it's a crucial tool for managing your site. Within cPanel, you'll find the File Manager. This is where you'll upload your website files. If you prefer using an FTP client, this is another excellent option for uploading files. Both methods are effective, it's a matter of personal preference. Your goal here is to upload the files to the public HTML directory. This directory is essentially the root of your website, and uploading here ensures that your site will appear correctly when accessed through the web. Next, we're going to import your database. Access PyMyAdmin from your cPanel dashboard. Once inside, you'll need to find the Import tab. This is where you'll upload the database file you exported earlier. Ensure that you select the correct database and import the SQL file. It's crucial to pay close attention to any prompts or import options to avoid errors during the process. Successfully importing your database here is a fundamental step in ensuring that your site functions as it should on the new server. Finally, we need to update your website's configuration files. These files, such as wp config php for WordPress sites, are what tell your website how to connect to the new database and server environment. Open these files within your File Manager or FTP client and update the database connection settings to match those provided by HostGator. This typically involves entering new database names, usernames, and passwords. Make sure any paths or URLs in your config files reflect the new location of your site on HostGator. Once these updates are made, your website should be live and operational on HostGator's servers. Congratulations on successfully migrating your site. Should you encounter any